What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this app where you can easily earn online just by playing music online, watching videos, reading news, and as well playing games online. With this app, you can keep yourself busy, and while you're keeping yourself busy, you'll be earning free money online real quick, guys. There's no stress. All you have to do is just play music, listen to good music online, read news, watch videos online, and play nice games online, and you're gonna be earning while doing all of this, guys. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content. And if you find this video useful, like this video and as well drop a nice comment, guys. With all that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video. So guys, welcome to this app right here. So here, once you are registered, you just have to register with your email and all of that. The registration process is so simple. I'll provide a link to the app in the description box of this video. All you need to do, just click on the link, download the app and register an account, and boom, you're good to go. So you can see right here, you can earn every day just by logging in, just to claim. You can claim your daily trick right here, guys. So doing that, you just click on claim. So once you do that, I have claimed for today successfully, guys. So there are different ways you're gonna earn here on this app. So I'm gonna show it to you step by step. So you need to watch this video vividly to avoid any mistake, guys. So right here, you can see the moves you earn here on this app is just by reading news, taking surveys, you watch videos online. Wow, if you are even charging your phone, you'll be earning here on this app. All you have to do, once you want to charge your phone, just click on where it says charge, and while your phone is charging, you'll still be earning here on this app. Another one here is music. You listen to good music and you are being paid for free listening to music, guys. So lastly, you play games, phone games right here, and you earn here on this app. So you can see respectively clicking, you can see everything is real quick. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to earn with music. So you can see with music, you can see my music playing right here. So if you're coming for the first time, you just click on music right here and you see different music to play and earn. For me, look at the music I'm listening to. You can just listen to it right here. So guys, you can see how nice that music was. All you have to do, just play nice music and you earn money just by playing music. The more you are playing music, the more you get points here on this app, guys. So just download the app. It's free, no deposit, everything is free, and you'll be earning while you play music. As for this news right here, you just click on news right there, you read news and you earn. You can read news regarding health, sports, technology, entertainment, science, travel, fashion, lifestyle, home and garden, parenting. Depending on the one you want, to just click on it, and the news available for that niche you want to be shown, and you just click there, read the news, and you earn effectively. As for the surveys right here, you just click on surveys, you take surveys right here, and you can earn points. So you can see, choose the type of surveys you want, answer questions about yourself to unlock the surveys, complete different surveys to earn up to 4,500 points each. So those points will be converted to money once you have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold. So clicking on the video right here, you can as well wait for the video to load first. You watch it and get points. No video, check back later. So here you just click on continue right here. They will bring available videos for you. Just watch and you earn your points effectively. If there's no video, you check back later. That is how it works for the video, guys. So going back right now, and this one for charge, just click on the charge right here. So clicking on the charge, you just have to plug in and go. You start earning when you plug in your phone, open the charge screen, guys. Passive endpoint. So you earn points every second while your phone is charging and charge screen is open, guys. So you just have to open this charge screen once you are charging your phone, and you're earning some points while your phone is charging. Claim your points. You will receive your points when you go back to the app after ending your charging screen. So once you have you open the screen, you plug your phone while it's charging, you'll be earning effectively with this app. Once you do that, once you plug your phone, you just come to the chat screen and you click on understood, and you start earning effectively for charging phones, guys. So lastly, music. I've shown you guys for the music. So once you come to music here, you choose the type of music you like listening to, whether it's rap music, pop, hip hop, pop, or country music. So you choose the one respectively, or you can listen to trading music right here while you earn here on this app. So that is how it works. It's so simple and straightforward. So what you need to do, just download the app and you are good to go, guys. So right here on the media here is where you see summary of music you have listened to and all of that. On the games right here is you can see different type of games which you can play and earn. You can see those games here with their respective reward once you have completed the game successfully. You can see this one, you'll be getting 1,794 points. For this one, you'll be getting $11.50 for what playing this game and all of that. You just choose the one of your choice and you're good to go. As for the offers right here, these are just offers they will give to you for you to perform and earn effectively. Lastly, or the withdraw here is where you can be able to withdraw your earnings once you have reached the minimum withdrawal threshold, guys. So basically that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So if you want to invite friends to this app and earn, so you click on this icon right here. So once you click on the icon, you share your click on invite friends via, you can invite them via SMS, Messenger, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So you just share your invitation code to them, and once you register using your link, you'll be earning for inviting them to the app. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Lastly, happy Easter to everyone right here.